Garlic bait for fishing. Catch more fish and keep small fish away. Hey anglers! Today we are talking about a surprising secret bait. Garlic. Yes, the same garlic you use in cooking. Recent experiments by anglers show that adding garlic to your bait can boost your catch and even keep small fish away. Let us see how it works. Using garlic chunks and hooks. Peel and clean fresh garlic, then cut it into small pieces. Cook the garlic chunks carefully so they don't get washed away by flowing water. For garlic's strong aroma is perfect for repelling tiny fish, so your bait won't get swarmed by small bites. Or mix garlic into your bait. Crush fresh garlic, including both the pulp and juice, and place it in a plastic bag over mud. By the next day, the garlic aroma is stronger, making it a powerful fish attractor when mixed with your bait. Some sugar garlic as an additive. You can also use pickled sugar garlic, which is sweet and slightly sour. Peel and chop the sugar garlic, then mix it with your bait. The effect is similar to alcohol-based attractants. Fish love it. Tips takeaways. Garlic works as both an attractant for big fish and a repellent for small fish. Easy to use either on the hook or mixed into your bait. This simple trick can improve your catch rate significantly during autumn or winter fishing. So next time you go fishing, don't just rely on worms. Try garlic. It is cheap, easy, and effective. I am a fishing enthusiast sharing tips from the wild. Like, save, and subscribe to stay updated on seasonal fishing strategies and improve your catch every trip.